Ready to do this thing again? Mr. Garra, may we interrupt class for a second? Uh-oh. How are you all? You know Big Red. Very good. How are you? Well, I've just brought some friends. Big Red and I wanted to come tell you in person, congratulations that you both have been admitted. Congratulations. You're among the first to be admitted to next year's first year class. Congratulations, you've both been admitted, and here is your offer letter. Congratulations, Josh. Congratulations. Congratulations, Shelby. As you're going through the process, whatever you need, be in touch with us, okay? If you need anything in the process, don't hesitate to call us, okay? It's good to meet you. It's good to meet you. For the rest of you, number one, we want you to apply. We want you on the Hill next fall, and we're going to make it affordable and a value that you and your families can afford. So please apply. No matter your family's economic condition, WKU is a university for you. If you want to be on the Hill, we're going to make that possible for you. Congratulations again, and go Tops!